Guys, it's my pleasure to have you back in this channel, and today guys I've got something very unique and special to show you guys, and that is the production of bleach at your home. So I'm just going to take my time and teach you this, and I want you to also take your time and learn this. So let's just go on without wasting time and do what we know to do best. So guys, in this production now, I'm just going to quickly show you all that we need for this production today. Guys, first thing that you need for this production is 5 liters of water in a container like that, and then you need your spatula. I'm just going to be fast with this. You need your spatula, and then you need your hypochlorite. That's your hypochlorite. So that is it. I'm gonna give you the measurements as we go on. Actually, I am using 1/8 of this, 1/8 kg of hypochlorite. That's the measurement that I'm gonna use for this production now. 1/8 kg of hypochlorite. So that's it as the number 1 ingredient. And then the number 2 ingredient here is caustic soda. The same quantity, 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg of caustic soda as the second ingredient for this production. And then the third ingredient for this production is soda ash. And I'm also using the same quantity, that is 1/8 of soda ash, 1/8 kg of soda ash for this bleach production. And now the last ingredient here is industrial salt. And I also use the same measurement, 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg of industrial salt. So that's the last ingredient you're gonna use for this production right now. Pour my first ingredient into the 5 liters of water. So that's my hypochlorite. Hope you can see that very well. So I'll pour it straight to the water. So this is the second ingredient, guys, which is caustic soda. So I'm gonna also pour this direct to the water together with the first ingredient. And then the third one, that second one is also 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg. That's the measurement. And the third one here is soda ash. So I'm still gonna pour it direct to the bucket. And now I've just added the third ingredient now. So now I'm gonna add the last one, which is industrial salt, and I'm also using 1/8 kg for this. So I'm still gonna pour it together with other ingredients there, and I will stir for 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, as you can see, all the 5 ingredients, that's the water and the other chemicals, are all in here. So it has to be well mixed for 5 to 7 minutes, and then it will be covered for 48 hours. After 48 hours, then the production will still continue. But right now, we're just gonna mix it for 7 minutes and leave it to cure for 48 hours. One thing, guys, I want to mention here is when you're like dealing with the caustic soda, you have to be very careful, especially with your eyes. You have to be very, very careful. That can just blind if that goes into your eyes. And if you touch the body of this bucket, is very warm just because of the caustic soda. So you can imagine that entering your eyes, and a strong chemical, as well. So if that goes into your eyes, it's really gonna be bad news. So, protect your eyes however you can protect your eyes, and be very careful when you're dealing with caustic soda. So in the next 48 hours, I'll show you the outcome of all this, and then the next thing to do to get your final product. That's it. So now it is 48 hours, and that is the outcome of it. I'm sure you can see that nicely. What you're seeing in the bucket there is the bleach. That's the bleach. Let me also show you like this. There is the bleach in there. So you can see how it looks like after 48 hours. So now I'm going to start collecting it from the top. I'm gonna use this to fetch it from the top and keep it aside. After that, I will filter it to get out, to remove all the unwanted particles, from it. Fetch the bleach from the bucket like that, and then you pour it in there. You do that till you get all the bleach. But you can see the color is changing right now. So I'm going to leave it for a while to settle down. It's not something you can just do one time. So I'll leave it for a while for it to settle down. And even this one, I will still leave it to settle down. This one that is here, I'll leave it to settle down. Then I will still do it that way again and still collect only the upper part of it. It's supposed to be pure, plain, like when you saw it the first time. So once you start collecting, it's going to change color like this, because the sediment is also coming up. The sediment, the sediment down there is also coming up. So when you collect like this, you leave it for a while, it will settle again, and then you collect again, and then you do the same thing with this one. I will still leave this one to settle down, maybe for like 30 minutes. I will come back to it again and still collect it to have a pure color of bleach. Just cover the both of them like that and leave them for like 30 minutes, and then I will come back to continue with the process till all the bleach is being collected. Guys, you can see the bleach as it is right now. After 30 minutes, it's settled again, and you can see the sediment down there. So I'm going to also collect, that part on top there, like I did earlier. So that's what I'm going to do right now, till I finally get all that I need from the production. So guys, I'm still collecting the upper part of it. You can see, you have to be very careful taking that out. You can see that. Then I will see add it to this part here. Even that part, after finish, I'm gonna leave it. You see, as I'm pouring it, the sediment is coming up again, so it's not supposed to be so. But after finishing with all this, I will leave this one to settle down. Then I will take it out to another container. Guys, now I'm gonna do the final collection of the bleach into my container, and that will be it. So that's the container I'm going to use. You can see my container there. That's my container, and I've got a funnel on it like that. So I also need small filter like that. That will help me to filter out those particles that I don't need. So that's it. That's the container, and that's the bleach, and that's the funnel on it, and the filter. So we're gonna do the final collection right now. I hope you can see that very well. See the sediments. That's the final bit of our production on the bleach. So I believe you enjoyed the production, and you can see how clear and beautiful the content is in the bottle right there. So give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and then also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and click on that notification bell to get notified. It's important, so that when a beautiful video like this one or interesting video like this one is dropped in this channel, you will be notified. Thanks guys, I love you guys. Bye for now.